I hate this stupid cherry tree, or plum tree, or whatever tree it is. Oh man, another gorgeous, gorgeous day out today. It's like 80 degrees. But anyway, good morning to all you guys watching this video. And girls, can't forget about you ladies. So I titled this video appropriately because of what happened to me last night. And we will get into that in a second. Shut up. First, I'm gonna hit you guys with a little bit of $4.25 a gallon. Of course it's windy today. Though I apologize if all you're hearing is a ton of wind. So before I begin today's video and tell you exactly, well, before I tell you why I could have went to jail, there was supposed to be another video dropping before this one. Unfortunately, when I left my house this morning, I accidentally formatted my SD card, so I never actually pulled that footage off. It is what it is. There's nothing I can really do about it. Oh my god, is it windy today. It's not even wind blowing you around, it's just like resistive wind, if that makes sense. So let me get into one of the main topics of today's video. There's a couple things that I do want to talk to you guys about. Well, one of them is not really a topic. Anyway, so what happened to me last night to title this video the way I titled it? Oh man, it's crazy. Okay, first and foremost, if you guys don't know me, I am pro 2A all the way. I believe that everyone should have some sort of proficiency with a firearm, and you should become knowledgeable and familiar with said firearm. I don't care if it's a handgun, AR, bolt action, crossbow, anything that fires something that can do harm to a human, animal, or a tree, for all you tree huggers. So then we got that out of the way. With that being said, I decided last night, it was about 8 o'clock, that you know what, I'm going out. Loaded up the truck, had my AR already in the truck, and obviously I brought my handgun. So I made my way, God, I don't even know, Kybers? I'll put the name up on the screen. So long story short, I was making my way down this path, and I pass a truck, and it kind of stops, and as I go by it, I had my LED light bar on, and I forgot to turn it off real quick. I was trying to look at my GPS. The truck stops, I keep going, and I'm like, oh shit, he stopped. I turned around, I was like, I don't know where I'm going, this road doesn't lead out. So I turned around, well, he must have turned around as well, and then I stopped and realized there was a cop, actually a game warden, same, game warden, peace officer, I don't know, he's a game warden in the area. I wanted to just give him a heads up, hey, I'm not causing any mischief, I'm lost, how the hell do I get out of here? So he comes up to the truck, he asks me if I have any firearms on me. I said, yes, I do, I have, and I kept both hands up in the air. Okay, my vehicle was off, I threw the keys on the dashboard, both hands up in the air, and I just literally just pointed down, and I said, I have a loaded Glock in my door with 2 extra magazines loaded. I was like, I also have an AR-15 in the back with 3 30-round magazines in my backpack. The AR-15 is not loaded, and there's no magazines in the actual case that's holding it. And I told him I have all the paperwork in my backpack. You can go ahead and search that as well. There's no knives or anything that's going to stick you. All of my paperwork is in the backpack that shows that I'm the rightful owner of both firearms. So he takes everything, takes it to the bed of his truck, and he's kind of just unloading, making sure everything's good. So I want to tell you guys, my rifle is compliant because it is grandfathered in before all those laws to ban all the evil features on AR-15s. My, it is hazy. Oh, San Francisco's gonna be cloudy and cold. So anyway, back to the story. So to shorten that story up, he goes through the whole process. He starts talking to me about the 30-round magazines. Real nice though, real f***ing cool. And he says to me, he's just like, you know, this is like, I can technically arrest you. I said, hey, if you have to arrest me, just make sure my dog gets home fine. He's like, but you're very honest with me. You didn't bullshit me from the start. You told me exactly what you had. You have all the documents showing that you're the owner of both weapons. He's like, you're very respectful for me. You gave me full permission to search your entire truck. And I told him, I got nothing to hide. I'll tell you exactly what's on me. But he said what he's gonna do is he's gonna document everything. And he said, you know, just, he's like, you're a good person. You're active duty military, and I get it. I think, and he even admitted, he's like, I think the gun laws are absolutely stupid in this state, but we all gotta abide by them. And I said, I understand. You're 110% legal with everything. He's like, so I'm just gonna let you go on your merry way. You weren't over here hunting out of season, so I don't have too much I'm gonna really hit you on. He's like, but like I said, you're a good person. Just go out and get some 10-round magazines. And I said, yes, sir. The biggest piece of advice you guys should be taking away from this is not only being respectful and being transparent, is one, make sure your shit is legal, okay? If your shit ain't legal, you're gonna have a problem, maybe. Depends on the cop's mood. And two, if it is legal, bring your paperwork with you. Always have your paperwork with you. Anytime I go to the range, anytime I shoot, I have my paperwork on me. I always bring it with me for those reasons. If a cop pulls me over and he wants to search my vehicle, I'm going to let the cop search my vehicle. I don't care. I have nothing to hide. There's no drugs, no illegal shit. All my shit is legal, registered under my name and with the ATF. Okay, enough of that boring topic. I know I probably already lost some of you guys, probably not watching anymore, but sorry. I'm just gonna follow Mr. Harley guy because he's probably a lot louder than I am. My bike does not like low RPMs, man. Yeah, no thank you. Appreciate it though. Nope. Getting in this lane, man. Moron. Let's see what's going on. Oh, big bus. No, of course, a bicycle. Out of f***ing way, bro. Oh, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Yeah, got it. I went into neutral by accident, like a fucking noob. Oh, I'm an idiot. Another one. I can't escape them. I can't escape. Leave me alone. Who sent you guys? Yeah, I got another alarm to set off. Is that where people go to take a shit? I think that's where it is. People literally can go in there and take a poop, or what is that? I don't get that. Way I see it, if bikes can go on my road, I can go where bikes go. It's f***ing raining right now. No parking. Watch me. I think we're getting a little dirty today. Damn, there's many people out here. Oh man. So I'm at Chrissy Field right now. In case anyone's in the San Francisco or Bay Area, I'm sure you guys have been here. I'm kind of late to the party. My next few videos are going to be about the same, of me just exploring, and the reason being is because I need to find different spots to go. I know I always end up in San Francisco, but I don't know too many spots. If you guys are in the Bay Area and you know some good spots that have little twisties and turnies, definitely leave me a comment, DM me on Instagram. So that's why I said, whoa, this guy's like floating on the water. How is that possible? But yeah, like I said, if you guys know any spots where I can go check out, let me know. I don't care about driving or riding too long. I'm always looking down next. I'm always down to explore. Start handing out my business card to people. Sorry that this video is going to be boring. Hopefully you guys are staying with me. I need more people to ride with. That's what I need. So one way. One way. Oh shit, Trevor. Almost hit that car. That would have been really embarrassing. Alright, boys and girls. Same old song and dance. I love the little backfire and the little popping and crackling exhaust makes. Go. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, right now. You guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff helps me out in the end. Hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. And as always, I need y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of life's goals. Always remember the good things in life will never come easy. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.